Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be talking about the count blank function. Let's understand this with the help of an example. As you can see on the screen, we have a table where we have various students, the semesters which they appeared for, their total score, and their pass criteria. As the name itself says, count blank, so it counts all the blank cells in a given range. Let's hit tab and select the range that we want to count. Suppose this one, close parenthesis, hit enter, 0, because there are no blank cells in between. So if I randomly delete some of the cells, see the count increases. So it's easy to understand. If I replace one of the text with a special character, then also it is not counted. It's a simple criteria. It has to be a blank cell. Thanks for watching guys. We'll catch you in another video with another function. Let me know in the comment section if there is any specific function or topic that you want me to cover.